Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Benjamin and we shall be talking about content creation, the beginner's tutorial course 1. We shall be looking at the basics, looking at content creation from the beginner's point of view. What is content creation all about? Why is content creation important, or why should it be considered a lucrative venture? What are the requirements for becoming a content writer or a content creator? Or who can become a content writer? These and more we shall be looking at in this important video lesson. Kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Click on the notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you will be notified instantly. Let's get started. What is content creation all about? Content refers to your ideas, knowledge, or information that you share with others, which could be in a piece of writing, a video clip, or in any other format. So content creation is simply the act of expressing your ideas in various forms, producing them in various formats, presenting them on various platforms. Content creation is an important aspect of the information sharing industry, and it is a lucrative venture. That brings us to the second vital point in this lecture. Why is content writing or content creation important? It is important because it's a huge revenue or income earner. Did you know that content creation as an industry is worth billions of dollars today? A lot of people are earning income by simply sharing their ideas with others in one form or the other. And if you look at it, the video you are watching right now is content I created and packaged in form of a video clip and uploaded on YouTube. As you watch the video and others watch the video, there is great likelihood that I will earn some income along the line. Now, that is one huge advantage of content creation. It enables you to earn income. Secondly, content creation enables you to share your ideas with other people, and by sharing your ideas with other people, you help them to solve their problem. And you get a huge sense of fulfillment when you realize that the ideas you have shared with someone have changed their life in one way or the other. Knowing that you are adding value to other people's lives gives you a sense of fulfillment. Now, another huge advantage is that content creation enables you to develop your skill, because as you share your ideas with other people, you discover that you are all equally learning. When you are teaching others, you are learning as well. And if you are teaching someone a skill that you have acquired, then you get better and better in that skill. Sharing your knowledge consistently, or practicing the art of sharing your skill with others, will take you from the stage of a beginner to the stage of an expert. I want you to know that no one graduates from any institution and becomes automatically an expert. Expertise comes through the process of practicing what you have learned. And as the saying goes, practice leads to perfection. So the more you get involved in content creation, the more you develop your skill, the more you update your knowledge, the better you become in your chosen field of practice. So that's the way it is. Now, what are the requirements for becoming a content creator? Anybody who has some ideas to share with others and is capable of conveying that message in the language that others will accept is qualified to be a content creator. So that is just simply the qualification. If you can share your knowledge with others, if you can teach someone how to do one thing or the other in a language that they accept and give feedback, of course you are qualified to create content. I want you to know that a lot of people are searching for information on internet. When people search the YouTube or Google, the Google search engines, they are looking for information that will help them to solve their problem. Some are simply looking for information on how to bake a cake, how to prepare their favorite dish, and so on and so forth, how to repair a phone. So once you can share your knowledge with others, you are qualified to create content. And that is how it has been in today's video. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell as well, so that when a new video is uploaded, you will be informed instantly. In the next subsequent videos, we shall be looking at the advanced aspects of content creation. See you in the next video and remain blessed.